Hi everybody, welcome. Wyatt and I are here to bring you a unboxing. This one is a FabFitFun Style Box. This box has been really long in coming. I think I requested it feels like the beginning of August. They moved their warehouse, there was a delay. I'm not really sure what to expect in this box. I think originally I had asked for summer items because it was the beginning of August. So, I'm not sure what's in here. It feels heavy, so I'm excited to see what's in here. FabFitFun Style Box has been in beta for a while, so I honestly don't know if it still is or if anyone can get in, but at this point I think you can send an email and actually get into the program and get your own style box. There's a $20 styling fee. You do fill out a profile. You do get a stylist, and you keep what you love and return what you don't like. And I do believe there is a discount if you keep a certain amount of items. I think it's all of them. So let's check this out, and I can make sure I have all my facts straight. So, oh, I think there's a bag in here. That's what it looks like. Check out the inside of my box. Oh, I think I just smacked Wyatt with the box. What do you think, Wyatt? All right, so let's check out what's in here. I have some paperwork. Okay, so my stylist is Kendra. She's been my stylist from the beginning. And I did really like my last box. I only kept a couple things because of some sizing issues. But I thought the box was so much better than the previous two. So I'm not going to read it because I don't want to give away what's in here. I'm not going to look at I'm not even going to look at the pictures too, but I'll go over pricing at the end. But the total of everything in this box is only $172, but I'm not going to look at anything else till we actually get into it. So here is my bundle. I can catch a little bit of denim in there, it looks like. All right, guys, let's see what's in here. While I'm digging in, you guys can hit that subscribe button. Give me some support if you like unboxings, reviews, clothing hauls. I would love it if you would click that subscribe. And if you like this video, give me a like. So let's dig in. All right, first up, jewelry. Check that out. Looks like a necklace with gold and silver tones. That's pretty. Not too bad so far. Next up is a not black tie tee, it says. So it's a basic little tee. Stripes in the back and it ties. So that's cute. Basic. All right. This says Flutter sleeve floral wrap dress. And it's a silky fabric, no give, by Collective Concepts. Ruffles, it's got ruffles. I'm not sure what to think of that. It is a true wrap, look at that. So it is a true wrap. And that, it's not really red. I would say that's more of what, a wine color? But it's pretty, black and white. I'm not sure how I feel about the floral, the ruffles here. But I'll try it on. We'll see what that looks like. And last, pardon the paper noise, is a very interesting skirt. Abbot two-tone denim skirt. So, little zipper in the front. One pocket in the back. The other's just a fake looking pocket. I have no idea what I'm going to think of that on. Interesting. Okay. And the last item in my box, I do have an envelope in here to return what I don't want. And FabFitFun has you, Style Box has you return everything by FedEx, which is different than any of the other subscriptions that I use. Usually it's UPS or the post office. So, just FYI. Okay. So, this is the bag. check that out. So it has the short handle, and it also has the shoulder handle. It's almost like, what is that, dusty rose color, if you guys can see that. And this is probably a suede feel, and this is probably a faux leather. So not bad. It's very different. Check out the inside here. It's got 2 smaller pockets here and a big zipper pocket there. It also has even another strap here as well, so you could even have a longer strap if you need it. It also has these outside pockets, and they snap shut. So if you want to stick your phone in here, and they're on both sides. That's nice. And I love how it has these at the bottom, so that when you set it on the ground, it's not marking up the bottom of your bag. I like that. So I kind of like this bag. I love bigger bags. I carry a really big wallet. It's like, what is it, an 8-inch by 4-inch wallet, and I always have to carry that wallet, so it has to fit in any bag that I get, and it would definitely fit into this bag. So, not bad. Okay, so let me get to the try on. Okay, so here is a close-up look of the necklace. If you guys can see this. It's very cute, actually. I like it. So I put it on with the skirt and the top. And I think that this is very cute. It's a cute outfit. I'm not sure how I feel about this top, but I did a front tuck so you could see this skirt, and I put on a pair of flats with it because I didn't want this skirt to look any shorter than it already is. However, I think the skirt is cute. So it has this little zipper front and the frayed edge, and you can see that it's the two-tone. I'll show you the back of both the top and the skirt. So I think that, I'm not sure how I feel about this top, or if I even tied it correctly. And I'm surprised, but I actually think this skirt is very cute, but it might be a little short for me, but I do think it's super cute. And the top, this is what it looks like down. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not excited about it, but it's okay. All right, I'll try on the dress. Sorry, I did want to show you the bag. So here is the bag, carrying it. And I did read the description of it, and that other strap, it says it's a 2-in-1 backpack, so it must also convert into a backpack. So I think it's kind of cute, and the color they call it is mauve. That makes sense. So I think it's kind of cute. We'll have to see how much it is. Okay, now for the dress. Okay, here is this dress, and it has these open sleeves here, and it is a true wrap, but it does tie all the way over here and all the way over here, so I don't think there is much chance for a wardrobe malfunction, so I felt better with that. The length of it is very nice. It does have a lot of ruffles at the top here. It also snaps all the way at the top, so again, not worried about a wardrobe malfunction. It actually fits very well, very well. I paired it with some lace-up, open-toed booty style to transition with, and I think this is a cute dress. I'm just not sure how I feel about all these ruffling, so I'm going to need your help. Okay, so I'm going to be right back here in a second to talk through these items. Okay, so overall, I I didn't think this was too bad of a box at all. I think my stylist is getting much better. I think she's starting to learn my style so much better. So let me read her note. It says, I'm so glad you loved your last box. Thank you for sharing your unboxing video with us, which I did. I wanted her to see what I liked and what I didn't like, just so she'd get a better sense of me. So I hoped it would help her pick out things going forward. She said, I heard you loud and clear on not wanting to give up on summer just yet. Now keep in mind, this was the beginning of August when I requested this box. So I have included some fantastic styles that don't quite feel fall, but will make the transition when you are ready. The Flutter sleeve floral wrap dress in oxblood has a beautiful drape and is made of a lightweight fabric. So I still have this on because I'm gonna take another look at it. I'm not sure how I feel about all this. To take it to the next season, throw on a leather jacket and ankle booties or a pair of textured tights. The knot back tee lends some sass to your class. Pair it back to the Abbot two-tone denim skirt with sneakers for a casual look with a feminine touch. And we are in love with our new launch jewelry, so I've included the geometric lariat for a twist on your inspiration pins. Add the chic and sleek 2-in-1 backpack to clutch onto Indian summer until you're ready to put it behind you. I hope you love your looks and can't wait to hear your feedback. Please let us know if there's anything you're dying to see in your next box, Kendra. Okay, so now let's talk pricing. So this dress I have on was $64. What do you guys think of it? I do think it's a nice fall transition dress. I think the idea of putting on a leather jacket over it would look really pretty and hide all this ruffling. I could do the same with a jacket for $64. And if I kept all 5, I do get a 25% discount, so that would take it down to what? Take another $12 off of it, so it'd be around $50. That would be if I loved everything else, right? Because if I kept all 5, the discount is $64.25, so it'd be like getting this dress for free. So let's talk about the other items. Next up would be this 2-in-1 backpack. It's $78 in mauve. What did you guys think of this? I do think it's different and unique. I don't know anything like it. I think it's beautiful for fall. So I'd love to hear your feedback. What do you guys think of this? Do you like it? Should I keep it? It's different. The knot back tie tee. So this one I think I even, when I tried it on, I said it's okay, which is how I feel about it. It's okay. I'm not excited about it. I would send it back. Unless I loved everything else, I would send it back. It's just okay. The jean skirt, $49. So I thought this was fun and cute. I know it's a little bit short, and that's what's my concern about it, but it fit well. I don't think it would ride up. It would stay in place, so I don't have to worry about that. So let me know what you guys think about this skirt, because I do think this is cute, but maybe a little short. Love to hear what you think. The little geometric lariats, I think this is a cute little necklace. I do like it. It would go with a lot of items. It's nice because it's gold and silver, so you can wear it with either, both. So I hope you guys can see that. It's very pretty. It's nice quality too. So I like it. It's only $28. So once again, if I were to keep everything, it would only be $172. So not a bad price. So what do you think of my FabFitFun Style Box for this month? I also get the $20 styling credit off of that. That's why it goes, I'm thinking through this math in my head. So it was $257 minus the $64.25 for the buy all discount, and then the $20 styling fee. So it takes it down to $172.25. So, if I were to only keep one thing in the entire box, I would probably keep the necklace to not lose my $20 styling fee and only spend $8. It's the cheapest item in the box, right? So I wouldn't want to lose that. But otherwise, yeah, I'm going to have to think about it. Think about if I like these other items enough to want to keep them, which is why I like doing these videos, so I can get your help and help me decide what looked good, what didn't look good, what should I keep. and what should I send back? So please comment below and let me know what you thought of this box and my try on. If you liked the video, please consider giving me a like. If you'd like to see more videos, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and give me some support and help my channel grow. If you've already subscribed, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I so appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Till next time.